Need to switch carriers but stuck trying to find your Red Pocket account number and PIN for porting? Here's how. Your account number is a 10 to 15 digit identifier tied to your SIM card or service plan, often starting with RP. It's not your phone number. To locate it, first log into your Red Pocket account online or through the app. Look for an account or port out section. If you can't find it online, visit a retail partner like Walmart or Best Buy with your SIM card and ID. As for the PIN, this is a 4-6-digit code specifically for porting. Generate it on demand through the Red Pocket portal. If you encounter a system error or can't find the option, contact Red Pocket support at 1-800-RED-POCKET. Be prepared for potential wait times. Remember, these credentials are essential to transfer your number to a new provider. Porting out from Red Pocket can sometimes be frustrating. Here are common issues and solutions. First, ensure your account is active and has no unpaid balances, as this can block the port. If you face delays beyond the FCC-mandated 1-2 business days, file an FCC complaint. Keep records of all interactions with Red Pocket support. If online methods fail, consider visiting a retail partner in person. If you are still running into issues, contact Red Pocket support at 1-800-RED-POCKET. Be aware that porting issues are a common complaint with MVNOs like Red Pocket, so persistence is key. By understanding these steps, you can navigate the port-out process more smoothly.